channel. I totally my brain blew up and I forgot what I was gonna say. My name is Crystal. Welcome. If you're new here, expect more just like this. I have the brain of a squirrel, I have an ADHD, and sometimes it leads us down interesting paths. Today's video is going to be the December 2020 Allure Beauty Box unboxing. I am locked into a contract with them for the entire year. I paid ahead of time because this box used to be awesome. But who knows? It is December. It is the month of giving. Maybe they will have given us an awesome box. So, before we get started, if you're new here, hi, welcome. If you take a second and hit that subscribe button, join my family here on YouTube. I am on a mission to get to 1,000 subscribers. Once I reach 1,000 subscribers from here until now, I will be giving away, actually, you guys, it's now a $300 Shein gift card. Because when I went on there to look at actually purchasing, I realized they're in set increments. Like, you can't say, oh, I want it for this much. But the cool thing is when you, and I'm not promoting Shein either, but when you buy a gift card, you actually get it a little bit cheaper. So like the $300 gift card is $285. So I thought that was pretty cool. So yeah, I am on a mission to get to 1,000 because you're really nobody on YouTube until you get 1,000 subscribers. And I meet the criteria for the partnership program in every other way except that. So in order to incentivize the whole deal, I want to give you guys a huge gift card. You could literally, with Shein's prices, you could replace your entire wardrobe with a new one. They have clothes, shoes, purses, well, you guys know. I'm sure if you're here, you know what Shein is because I do their hauls all the time. But okay, so to get yeah, forgot what I was talking about already. Okay, but I wanted to mention one more thing before we get started, mentioning that this is the month of giving. I know that money is tight for everybody right now, but if you do have any and you're looking for an awesome cause, I have a YouTuber, well, she's not a YouTuber, I met her on Instagram. She was viewing my YouTube channel, and over the past few months she's become a really close online friend, and she's been going through some really serious health problems, and her family has created a GoFundMe because insurance doesn't cover all of her medical costs. So I will be putting it up here on the screen, and then I will be putting the link to the GoFundMe in the description. I know that a lot of us are not able to, but if you are able to, she is an amazing, the sweetest lady. You can go follow her over on Instagram. I will put that link in the description below as well. She's always putting on how she styles outfits, and I've been trying to do the same, but she's so much better at it than I am because I always forget. But she is the sweetest lady, and right now her most upfront problem she's dealing with is endocarditis, and as you know, or you may not know, it is a serious infection of the heart, and it's really, really scary. So prayers that you are feeling better, Cynthia, and hopefully someone out there is able to help with donations. So anyways, that was longer than I thought it was going to be, such an intro, but this box goes pretty fast. So, sorry, I got cat hair up my nose. Ghost, are you ready? Oh, he's seeping. Okay, so this is the Allure Beauty Box for the month of December. This box, if you didn't pay a year in advance, this box is $23 plus tax a month, which makes it pretty comparable price-wise to BoxyCharm and the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. However, since they changed over, because this box used to be $15, October and November, I was pretty disappointed because it seemed like the exact same box for a more expensive price. It was supposed to have these upgrades. I have yet to really feel like I've seen those upgrades. So who knows? Let's see what we got. The box looks like this. When you open it up, you have your little brochure here on the top. Now this doesn't give you the exact prices of the sizes that you receive. And it doesn't even have really a description. It has a little bit of each, what the editors thought about the product, and then it lets you know what the full size price was. The first thing I see says Beauty Loot, and it's in this like the cheap inside of the Shein purses kind of bag. And this wasn't on the spoilers, so I have no idea what this is. Let's see. Okay, so this is a tiny little Giorgio Armani, looks like kind of a red liquid lipstick, and it says, "Thank you, we hope you enjoy this special gift. It's totally separate from your regular beauty box and our way of showing how much we appreciate you having you as a loyal member." They must have got my email. I'm just not happy with this box, you guys. I don't like seeing free sample all over the stuff that I'm paying or that people are paying $23 a month for, you know? I love minis of anything though, and like look how cute she is. Got the little like Giorgio Armani logo on it. Now this is a mini. Like I have other minis. Let me see if I can pull one out really quick. Like this is the mini from Melt Cosmetics. So like, she mini. She's just little tiny. Okay, so that's cute. I wish that I didn't already have my lip gloss is like migrating to the corner of my mouth. Hold on. We are real and relatable over here. Okay, so that's super cute. I might like get brave and try that in a minute, but that was okay. It was a nice touch. I don't know why they had to put it in this sack or anything, but we're gonna save that for last because it looks like maybe the nicest thing in this box. So first thing I'm grabbing is Be My Ex My Beauty brand. Be My Ex. Okay, so it is a black liquid eyeliner. Throw it in the drawer with the hundreds that I've gotten in subscription boxes this year. It looks pretty nice. I can't tell if there's like a plastic wrapping on it or if I'm just special. Okay, has a nice little tip there. Let's see what the value is. Thank you guys for bearing with me. I know this box is kind of a dud, but I appreciate you watching me. I love you guys. So this is supposed to be worth $22, and there's a code in here that you can get 20% off your purchase if you need 30 more black eyeliners. Yeah, I'm not gonna read all that. It's a black eyeliner, and yeah, that's what it is. So let's go on to the next thing. This is what I was upset about when I seen the like spoilers or whatever. This is Cetaphil's new product. It's Healthy Glow Daily Cream. It's a deep hydration cream. You guys know that Cetaphil products are like drugstore. Like they are extremely affordable. I normally when I think of subscription boxes, beauty boxes, I don't think of them as being drugstore products. Because the whole gimmick of them, right, is like you're paying this much and you're getting all this like, you know, high-end like luxury stuff to try. So yeah, I wasn't super pumped about this. The full size, it doesn't even have the price on it, but I would assume it's not more than like $12, which means if that's not actually a product in the box, this box only has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things in it, and it's supposed to have like 6 to 7, and 3 of them are supposed to be full size. So you see what I'm talking about? Like, sketchy. I feel like I got bamboozled and I have this box for 10 more months, you guys. Next, we have a mini. This is from Caudalie. I didn't know how to pronounce that for the longest time. This is by Caudalie, Vino sourced. It is a serum, a quenching serum, and it's supposed to be, what is on my hand? I had that freaking eyeliner on my hand. I don't even know how I got it on my hand. I didn't even use it. Crazy. Okay, so this is the full size of this, which I'm assuming is like an ounce. It's $49. And this is roughly a little under 1/3 of an ounce. So still probably worth like $16 if I'm being generous. I've heard great things about this. I just wish it was bigger. Like, come on, peeps. Next, we have another mini. I do really like the La Roche-Posay products. I love their sunscreens, especially their mineral sunscreen, which you should be wearing every day, even in the winter. Even when it's gloomy as shit outside, you should be wearing sunscreen because it protects your face from aging. It protects you from skin cancer. Sunscreen is where it's at. Okay, I'm getting off track. ADHD. This is the Retinol B3 serum. The full size comes in a cool little bottle like that. La Roche-Posay is available on larocheposay.com, or I think you can get it at Target. The full size is 39 doll hairs. Let's see just how tiny this one is. Oh my goodness, you guys, it's the size of the mineral sunscreen that we got this summer. The plastic, or it's not like a plastic tube though. It feels like kind of like the ones that are more like made out of metal that will fold so you can actually get everything out of it, which is pretty sick. Yeah, basically renewing anti-wrinkle, like everything that every other serum does. But I will definitely give it a try. I am pretty sensitive to retinol, so I have to be careful. The only one I've really found that I am able to tolerate is the A+ from Sunday Riley. They make excellent skincare. I can't talk. I do alternate Sunday Riley A+ with the Good Genes. Been doing that for a couple months. I wanted to do a video on it and show like my before and after, because it's like really helped with my dark spots, and I feel like it's like really helped with my like this forehead wrinkle that like comes up when I like furrow my brow. Okay, back on track. The second to last thing we have is a mask. This is a full size, which seems small, 1.35 ounces for a mask. It just seems small to me, but apparently this is the full size. This is $45.85. I would not pay $45 for a mask this size. It's just This is supposed to be like for extreme temperatures like cold and hot. This is supposed to protect your skin and restore its moisture balance and all that stuff. Let's see if it has a seal on it. It does, but you can still smell it through here. And honestly, it smells like calamine lotion. It does not smell great, but who knows? I don't really live, like it gets cold here, but it doesn't get like snowy, you know, 2 months of the year. Like it's not like that at all. We get a lot of freaking rain. And like occasionally it'll be in the 30s at night, but most of the time it's like in the low 40s at night. But who knows? Maybe I'll give it to a friend that like snowboards or something, because I feel like that would be something that they would use like more than me. Sorry, my hair just like is knotted behind me and it's not, it like keeps catching on my neck like when I turn. Okay, so the last thing, and arguably the most exciting thing in this box, is a palette by Ciate London. I am going to open it up so you can actually see it. This is the picture. It looks to me a lot like one of the haze palettes by Huda. I want to say like the khaki haze. Like it looks a lot like that. This palette retails for $24. I do like how like small and compact it is. It's just plastic container, but it does seem to like latch like well, so it's definitely one you could put in your purse or like your makeup bag in your purse. This is what it actually looks like. I'll still get this backwards thing down. It looks like someone touched mine already. You see that? Like right there? I'm not complaining. Like, I mean, I've been complaining this whole time, but you know what I mean? Like, It's got a nice little mirror on it, which I'm not going to show you because I don't want to blind you, but it literally looks exactly like the khaki haze palette. Look it up if you are interested. I haven't really been a super fan of the Ciate London Shadow Formula. I've gotten like the editor's palette in a BoxyCharm. People were saying, oh, it's so great. Like, I didn't think it was that fantastic, to be honest. I'll try this one out. But if you are interested and that's a color story that you were really like down with, I would recommend checking out the Huda one, because for $24, I think the Huda ones are $27. For $3 more, I would definitely recommend the Huda Beauty one. So yeah, let's see, the eyeliner's full size. Apparently that's full size, and then the mask. So we did get our 3 full size items, and then we got 2 minis, and then just a sample. I would never in a million years pay $23 in tax for this box. Like, this box makes me so mad every month when it comes. Like, this one, at least there's a couple products in here that I'll use. I will try the Ciate London palette. If it doesn't work for me, I will like just pass it on. I just wish, like, if you're gonna be that price, you need to be more like competitive, and you need to be comparable to BoxyCharm and Ipsy Glam Plus. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm not gonna keep ranting on it. Do you guys want to see what this Armani like color looks like? I'm gonna just, oh, it's upside down. Oh my god, I'm such an idiot. I literally thought this was the lipstick. That's the cap. I was opening it upside down. So it's this nice orangey kind of red color. I'm just gonna put a little bit. Whoa. Yeah. It actually kind of goes with the gloss I was wearing. It's like a orangey red, which I don't love because they don't make my teeth look as white. I like the kind of cool tone bluish reds because like then my teeth look like bling bling. Anywhooser, that is all I have for you guys today. I will be back very shortly with another video. I hope you guys have an awesome weekend, day, night, wherever you are in this world. If you do have a little bit of extra money and you feel like donating it to a good cause, please check out the GoFundMe in the description box below and help out my friend Cynthia. And that's it for me, dog. I'll see you guys in the next one.